My name is Harshit Sharma, and basically, I come from the reference of my friend that has completed his internship and digital marketing journey here with some websites. And also, she is placed in Apex WebCube, from where I got the reference, and I'm also working in the Apex WebCube right now. And the main thing what I liked about this Ventureheap Academy is that this academy doesn't just give the theoretical explanation; it also gives you the practical knowledge that what you need in the market. And according to me, what I learned from here is how to make our own website, how to do the SEO, SMM, PPC, and everything that is needed to make a hype in the market for any website. For an example, I am working on a own website that is Mintbox, that gives the financial knowledge that how you can invest in the different segments of real estate and mutual funds. And what I see about the Ashwadeep sir is you will get the direct guidance on the regular basis that how you can make your website, how can you make it lucrative, how you can derive the content, how you can interlink the website pages, and all things that are important from the SEO point of view. And although the main thing is about the backlinks, what I learned here, that website is just a front product that you are just seeing on the website or any page, but the main thing is about the backlinks. What you learn here, that for website getting a traffic like service, if you make a product like a battery or anything else, if you don't give a proper service, then there's no importance of that battery and all things. Same like here, we are making the website that is only for the overview of the content and the website layout and all things, but getting the things to be getting a traffic, you need backlinks, because those backlinks derive traffic from the main website that are having a good DAPA and good traffic. That is important from the SEO point of view. One more thing I want to add in this is like we are getting the placement assistance. That is the most important role in the and for any academy, for any student also, because as if you go for different organization like Cubos or different competitors here, you will not get the placement assistance directly, or you get a lower package in the placements. But here what I learned is that we're getting the regular placements in good companies like Urban Aura, and Apex Cube, Double Sierra, which are the real giants in the Jaipur region right now. And also you will get the internship, that is a practical experience over different websites in the academy itself, for that is of 4 weeks, where you can learn many things, how the practical world goes on the websites, and how you can make your own website a very lucrative, and also freelancing thing that is going to be teach you in the last, how you can make your Fiverr account, how you can optimize that, how you can upload, how you can take out the projects from there. That's all I want to tell about the Ventureheap Academy. Thank you, Ventureheap Academy, for this opportunity for the internships and placements.